on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many.
Okay. So, as you know, I have a collection coming up. I think I told you about it, but I don't remember. I don't know, because I haven't really been filming that much about the upcoming collection. Just because I wasn't in the mood to film. So I haven't really been talking about it that much. But anyways, the collection's coming out on Wednesday. And I'm just getting my stuff together. So, yeah, I'm taking pictures tomorrow. So I was printing out everything yesterday night and this morning. So right now I'm gonna work on the book. Anyway, I'm gonna work on putting the bookmarks together because I just finished cutting them this morning, and I'm doing the laminator. Okay, I'm gonna like get a little bit more bright in here, and I'm just gonna do show this process just because. Okay, so first off, sorry if you can hear the fan. It's like really warm in here, and this room does not cool down easily. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you the bookmarks right now before I laminate them, just to kind of show you. So here is the first one. That's the back side, and then this is the front side. It's the Dinvale artwork, which I think I showed last week or last month, which I think I showed last time in my vlog was me working on that one. This is the finished one. So yeah, there's that one, and then this is my 200 years artwork with the cactus sunset, and that's the back side. And then this is like the artwork, or the main collection artwork that I was using for like promotional stuff and announcements. And this one is the same artwork on both sides. This one is the hidden in the mundane artwork, which I just named after the collection. And then this artwork is also going to be the freebie artwork for this collection. And then I have two versions of the catching. I don't remember what I named this one. It was the artwork that's based off, or this one's based off an artwork, which was the catching spring flowers, or was it just catching flowers? I don't remember what the name was, but anyways, I made an artwork, or that artwork that I'm talking about, which I'm gonna put right here just to show you what I mean. I used the background as inspiration because I couldn't get the artwork to be sized right for bookmarks, so I decided just to use the background. And then I have two versions. This version is just the sunflowers, or just the flowers on both sides. And then this one, I wasn't sure if I wanted to like put something on it, so I just put catch the flowers, and then the back side is just the flower pattern. So that's what the two versions are. And then the next artwork is sun seeking moon artwork. It's the same one on both sides. And then finally, it's my sunflower artwork. Right now, hopefully most of them turn out okay. I'm probably gonna end up getting some B grade ones just because stuff might get under this laminate, but I'm hoping that most of them will be okay. And then the plan is try to get everything ready tonight so that tomorrow I can start filming the collection video and then start taking pictures, and then on that Tuesday night edit, which once again I am doing my collection launch or editing the process of putting the collection together kind of late again because I don't know, I just keep procrastinating, so that's my fault. So I'm probably gonna stay up late on Tuesday just trying to edit stuff together for Wednesday, and I'm probably gonna have to get up early on Wednesday. For these bookmarks, I'm like really happy with them. Like I really love how these bookmarks turned out, especially since when I started this collection I wasn't really sure, wasn't too confident about putting and designing like the artwork. So yeah, overall I'm just like really happy with how the artwork for this collection turned out. But after this collection, I'm probably gonna have to do another supply stock because a lot of my ink and like my laminate sheets and like a whole bunch of other stuff kind of went low, so I might have to do that too. Like put a list together of all the stuff I need to get and whatnot. Those are together. Now I'm gonna heat up the laminaire. I just don't want to put it on right now just because I want to like have time to put these bookmarks in their sleeves. I finished the bookmarks. I just got through laminating them, and I went through them really quickly just to make sure to see if there's anything wrong with any of them. So these ones are all okay. It's just these, what is it, 4, I think. Yeah, 4 of them that came out either with misprints or like stuff like that. So yeah, it was just 4 of them. These ones are gonna go into my discount bin, freebie bin. So yeah, besides those 4, these ones came out pretty good. So the bookmarks are done. Collection, everything is already done for that. I just filmed the video, so the only thing I have to do is just edit all these pictures of all this stuff right here, and then edit the video, because all this is supposed to come out and be released tomorrow at 1. Yeah, like I said, I waited to the last minute to do all this stuff. So, but right now I'm just gonna take the picture for the done that, and then take a picture for Instagram. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this, because it's a lot of stuff. So really I should just start with the art prints. I'm just gonna do the 5x7 art prints because the other ones are too big. Okay, so here is the mashup. It is kind of a little struggle just because there are a lot more artworks in this collection, so it's one of my bigger collections, that's why. Really, it's just an announcement post to show that the collection is out. And then, like I said, in the next few days and in the coming weeks, I'll showcase each individual item and artwork on their own. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't know if I'm ending the vlog here. So yeah, I'm not really doing anything else for the rest of the day. The rest of the day, I'm just going to be editing stuff. So there's not really much to film. So thanks for watching.